Today we're going to demonstrate voice dictation and the Read Out Loud feature in Microsoft 365. First, we'll demonstrate voice dictation. Go to the upper right hand corner and click on the icon labeled Dictate. Once you click on it, you can use your voice to write what you want in your document. You click it again to stop the dictation. Next, we're going to use the Read Out Loud feature. Click on your starting point, go to the top and look for a review. Click on that and then find the icon labeled Read Out Loud.
Dear recipient name.
The computer, as you can see, will start reading out
Click
loud to you.
text and start typing. Double-click the table cell.
And that's the voice dictation and the Read Out Loud feature in Microsoft 365.